Tired of weak radio signals ruining your listening experience? Imagine clear, crisp AM/FM reception wherever you go, whether cruising on the water or parked on land. This 22-inch weather-resistant marine antenna offers just that, transforming your radio's performance without complicated installation or permanent modifications. I recently swapped out my old antenna for this soft-wire marine model, and the difference was immediate. Installation took just minutes, no drilling or mounting holes required. I simply plugged it into my stereo antenna input and laid the wire alongside my existing stereo cables. Right away, the sound quality improved noticeably, with fewer dropouts and stronger signals even in moderate winds or near saltwater spray. The sealed exterior keeps corrosion at bay, so it holds up well against the elements without sacrificing performance. This antenna's universal plug means it fits virtually any marine vessel, making it a versatile choice whether you're on a boat, dock, or even using it on land. At 22 inches, it strikes the perfect balance between size and signal strength. Plus, replacing an old or damaged antenna like mine helps protect your radio equipment and ensures you get the best sound possible. If you're ready to upgrade your radio reception without hassle, this weather-resistant marine antenna is worth a look. It's a straightforward, reliable way to enjoy better sound quality on the water or wherever your adventures take you. Try it when you're ready to experience clearer AM/FM signals and hassle-free installation.